It's hard to believe, but Christmas is just 12 weeks away. Philip Griffith here, your certified photo manager, with an idea that will make your gifts truly unforgettable this year. Instead of last minute shopping, imagine giving a gift that's deeply personal and meaningful, a custom photo book. Whether it's capturing a family vacation, celebrating a milestone event, or highlighting the memories of someone you love, a photo book is the perfect way to tell the story. But here's the thing, this process takes time. Sifting through hundreds, even thousands of photos to create a book that truly captures the essence of your memories requires thoughtful curation and design. And that's where I come in. I've seen firsthand how these books spark conversations and reconnect families as they flip through the pages. My own kids, when we gave them a trip book, started reminiscing about the things they hadn't even mentioned during our vacation. It's those unexpected moments that make a photo book such a cherished gift. But remember, this is not an overnight project. The holidays are approaching fast, and now is the time to start. Don't wait until it's too late to create something truly special. Let me help you organize your photos and craft a stunning, heartfelt gift that will be treasured for generations. Are you ready to get started? Reach out today and let us use your photos to tell your stories so they'll last for generations.